Hey guys, this is Melissa King. You're hanging out with me here in my kitchen at home, and I'm going to teach you how to make a classic pot roast. It's really easy. It's just something you can just throw in the oven and walk away from. It takes a few hours, but you can go do laundry, do other chores in the meantime. It's great for Easter. It's also just good for a cozy night in at home. So give it a try. So you want to heavily salt your beef chuck roast or short ribs or whatever it may be. With a good amount of kosher salt and black pepper. I have some carrots, celery, onions, and leeks here. You can cut them up whatever size you want. I kind of went on the smaller size. I kind of like it to melt into the sauce. But if you want it chunkier, that's totally fine as well. And we're going to add all of our mirepoix, all of those aromatics, caramelize that all together. Just added the tomato paste right in. Scrape it right in there. Let it caramelize with those vegetables. Just mix it all up and just kind of cook out the rawness out of those tomatoes. Now we're going to add some red wine. This will basically be part of your braising liquid. And about a third of a bottle of red wine. Make sure to give yourself a glass of wine too while you're cooking. But just scrape up all those little bits on the bottom of the pan. Just added in some thyme. You can just throw in the whole sticks. You can do rosemary, savory, whatever you like, really. I kind of like these woodsier type of herbs. I think they just add a lot of great flavor to larger, like beefier roasts and stews like this. It's a little heartier. I have these little piri-piri chilies that I got from Portugal. But if you want a little heat, you can add some chilies, fresh chilies, dried ones, whatever you like. But, I traveled and picked these up in Portugal. I thought they'd be nice. They kind of have a little smoky flavor to it. Not crazy spicy, at least I don't think. I guess we'll see. The wine's reducing. I'm just going to add some water. But you can add beef stock, chicken stock. It's up to you. I just didn't have any beef stock in-house. But sometimes when you use that canned beef stock or chicken stock, it tends to have a lot of sodium in it. So I like to buy the low sodium so that I can control how salty my dish ends up.